Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Net Foodish Ordar mapi Ngin wan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi
Komisi Bentah ban Pensyabat Pentipad ba ya karai belashim hagajnya kendo bat ke sorkar lima ketrat pulih putih ke Meghalaya SSA School Association Mentah kasngi ke kandro trik unak pra ajar pausau ke penlong ke general meeting hamaran student jayau. Haga ni ke general meeting ke Nonghikai na keleng di jaka ke lapoi syaka ni ke jingalang ban sngap ke jimpen syai ni ke Nonghilam jaga association halo kimat jeng dawaja ke Nonghikai. Shwa kan ni ke sorkar jela ke rakhot ekran ni ke laikin hun Nonghikai bekin thom iki dikhot jaga Meghalaya SSA School Association All Meghalaya for Teachers Association bagi All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association menyetir haga bedai bat kimat jeng dawa. Ubah Aristotle Rambai ubah Presiden juga MSSASA ulapan pau berkin hon klarai banyak hon lang yang Baroh ke Nonghikai kibala qualified berkum juru iki baklam qualified bakum ke Nonghikai day banyak Bishni iki Nonghikai kibayo Shwa ke Jingmyntoi nomor bahak bakot Baroh ke Nonghikai ke nyo Jingmyntoi.
SSA teachers who have been qualified in the MTET 2019-21 and in 2019, 2021 and 2023. Number 2, SSA teachers were appointed on or after 3rd September 2001 but prior to 23rd August 2010. Third, SSA teachers who joined after NCTE notification dated 23rd August 2010 who as on date required only the academic and professional qualification DLED or BEd but have not cleared MTET. And number 4, SSA teachers who was appointed after NCTE notification dated 23rd August 2010 who as on date have not acquired the professional qualification DLED and neither have cleared MTET. Pila ban keli balai pibu hadi kisau bentang. Dan ngimbo saw bentang anong ipikalong kapak ano kata-kata that the government will solve all our problems. Natatang ihapan bu hadi kisau bentang. Kebenta kebanungkong katu kebatilarinak AKH gitu kibah kebenta kebanungkong kilayolat ban apply sigi government post. Okay, if they pass the interview they will can A na SSA but can join the government. If they didn't clear the interview they will come back to SSA. They will be with us only. Clear? Kilo make sure yop pal relax ya ke age itu kena cewek lalaki pas ke interview can join government lalaki pas can don bagni kebar itu kin Nonghikai SSA for those SSA teachers who have joined prior to 23rd August 2010 Kiba join ha ni Shwa jong ar polai trik jong brai August ar hajar shipeu those who have acquired the academic qualification and the professional qualification but those who have not cleared the MTET. Clear? Bisa siya isipit baling ibu yang kini kapenta. Kabalay, for those SSA teachers who have joined after 23rd August 2010 but those who have not acquired the academic qualification and also the professional qualification and also those who have not passed the MTET. Clear? Katakan ke point number 2. Point number 3. Kebagi submit siya ke sorkar that the government should exempt us from TET exam for those SSA teachers who appointed before or prior to NCTE notification dated 23rd August 2010 and 29 July 2011. Dan pelai ia Nonghikai SSA kibala don lupa hakam na ka MTET ikitu kiba join hala de Shwa ka ar pulai trik jong brai August ar hajar shipeu but hala de Shwa ka ar pulai trik brai July ar hajar khatway. Education Government of India kalapa sya Baroh ki states and union territories in the entire country which inform that the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs have given its approval for extension of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan scheme for the next 5 years, that is with effective from 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2026. This letter was sent on 6 August 2021 to all the education secretary of all the states and union territories in our country, and it was signed by Kamal Gandhi, the Under Secretary to the Government of India. The second letter was sent on 16 August 2021, and this letter was also sent to all the secretaries of the states and union territories in India, informing them that the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs have given its approval for extension of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan scheme for the next 5 years, that is with effective from 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2026. And this letter was signed by Manish Garg, who is the Joint Secretary to the Government of India. Why we have to clarify regarding these two letters? Because we want you all SSA teachers to know that what we are talking about, we are talking with facts and documentation. Kabang ikren harangkat bat ki shisha, harangkat bat ki kot kisla, ban sakhi, yaga kaba ni ikren. Ngim don hamne, ngim don por hero ban pen thame ya bhi kinoi ka SSA. Namak ngin yo na kabangin pen thame ya bhi yong. Ngin yo. Kadai kabang ye to shibi kinoi ka SSA. Kadai ka jing shisha. Kenang ba ngin sutu ya ka kamram kabang idai banle. Ka rai kabang ila shim menta kasngi hakani ka meeting kabala dong menta. Kadai ka meeting ka baar kami kabang ila khot hadin ka jing kendo jongi bat ka momen kata khat patrik jong 9 November arja pusau bat satrik jong 9 December arja pusau. Kadang kong karai kabang ila shim kalong ba. Yak tu karai kabang ila shim hak atrik jong 9 Oktober arja pusau balada ngimyo kano ka positive response na gabungin ngin penlong yaki program jingyaki hapostit Meghalaya mentara kawe kasur unanimously ngin shim ya karai ba nginom teng show ya ka jingyaki henry ngin teng ya ka jingyakren bat ka sarkar kabaar ngila shim ya karai ba hakapay day bat kini Nonghikai kibadang day banile ya ka emtet ngi ngila shim ya karai pementara sngi ba ka sarkar kan an consider ya Baroh Nonghikai SSA Kiba join hal ani Shwa ka shitrik ugnai Julai 2000 arpo kapadai ka tarik kaba nakaliang jong ka education department kala penmi ya ka notification ka shitrik jong ugnai Julai 2000 arpo kaba kala ong ba ka emtet kalong mandatory ya Baroh nado katoka sngi kaba penmi ya ka notification ya kiba kwa banlong pungki Nonghikai kabalai karai kabangila shim kalong bangin ajmud ya ka sarkar bakan thungno ya ka empower committee but kit khot jong kani ka empower committee kindai na po law department, personal department, finance department, planning department, education department but kuntubro naka association but ya kikam ki badangsa hakaban ya kren details hakabay day but ki points ki bangila suggest ya ka government bakan kentub lang haka policy naman ta ka job security jong Nonghikai SSA ban ya kren no da ka empower committee tikini kilong kilay tindi kiray ki bangila shim tas